Project management, it's all about delivering results. But here's the truth. Without data, you are just guessing. Imagine cutting project delays by half, predicting risk before they even happen, and making decisions backed by evidence rather than gut instincts. That is the power of data science in project management. And today, I will show you exactly how you can leverage it. Before we even go further, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I began my career outside project management, working in medical sales, quality assurance, and executive support. For over 5 years, I learned how to drive business growth, strengthen client relationships, and uphold process quality. These experiences shaped my ability to adapt, communicate clearly, and deliver consistent results, skills that remain the core of my leadership approach today. What I discovered along the way is that delivering results is not just about managing tasks, but it's about bringing clarity to complexity, aligning people and processes with strategy, and ensuring decisions are guided by evidence but not assumptions. Now, that realization led me to pursue my master's in project management and become a certified project management. So today, I combine my project management expertise with growing foundation in data science in an environment where projects generate vast amount of data. It is important to understand how to analyze, interpret, and apply data that is no longer optional today. It's actually necessary. So data science equips project managers to forecast risk more accurately, measure performance more effectively, and provide stakeholders with actionable insights that strengthen decision making. So for me, every project is more than scope, schedule, and budget. It is an opportunity to deliver measurable value, build trust, and create lasting impact by integrating structured project management practices with data-driven insights. So from gut decision making to data-driven decisions, let's dive into data science in project management. So what is data science? Data science is actually an art where you turn data into actions. In the end, you have data products with actionable insights. This means that you go beyond business intelligence. So why does it matter to me and you? First of all, it gives you a competitive advantage in the data economy. For example, you'll have an increase in rate of investment using big data. You will have better analytics that are fully deployed with 100% rate of investments. You'll also have, if you have an increase in rate of increase in return on assets, for example, you'll have better data access. So what are the core activities that are actually used in day-to-day data science analytics? First of all, you need to acquire the data. You need to actually acquire the data. That means you need to collect the right data. Secondly, you need to prepare. That is clean and structure for analysis. Then you will analyze. Now, by analyzing, that means you apply models to find patterns and predictions. Lastly, you act. Now, by acting, that means you present results clearly for decision makers. So, when will you say that we have a maturity model? What is a data science maturity model? So, a maturity model in data science involves the collection. That means we gather the data sets. Then we describe. By describing means that you summarize and find raw data. After that, you discover, are there hidden patterns? Then predict, that is you forecast the future outcome. Now, once you know what is to happen in the future, then you can advise. By advising, that means you recommend the best decision. So, what makes data science so different? It's so different because it combines the hypothesis driven, that is the deductive, from, and also combines with, okay, so the deductive approach, that is hypothesis driven approach, is combined with the inductive approach, that is the pattern based reasoning. Secondly, it's dynamic, that is you're continuously updating models. And thirdly, it encourages exploration and curiosity. So what entails building a data science capability? First of all, it requires more than tools. Secondly, it requires the right team. The right team is having, for example, the computer scientist, the math domain, plus the domain expertise. So it also requires the right culture that encourages collaboration, curiosity, and adaptability. Finally, it requires strong processes and operating model. So in real world application, when you're using data science, you can reduce flight delays. You can make vaccines safer. You can streamline medical reviews. You can predict customer response. And you can forecast mass killing risks. So all in all, data science is an art. It is science. It is technology. And it involves human curiosity